Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I will teach you on how to create a text in Adobe Photoshop. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. In order for us to create a text in Adobe Photoshop, we have to open the program now. So I'm using Adobe Photoshop 7.0 in my desktop in Windows 11. We have to double click that one and then wait for the program to load. No, and then we go to file, select new, we create a new canvas here and then click this text now in the toolbar, this one, letter T. So here we type, let's say for example, I love Adobe Photoshop. Okay, that's it. That's the simplest way to create a text. Click this one to move this picture. We can move here. Control T to mark it, and then we can make the text much bigger now by dragging on the side. Okay, click again, apply the transformation so we can move the text here anywhere in the canvas that we have created. Control T to adjust the height and then the width. And then click it this again to apply the transformation. That's it guys. Now that's easy and simple on how to create a text in Adobe Photoshop. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.